Dr. Yan, we have a question from one of our audience members. It's question number 9 for the AVN crew. And the question is, since COVID-19 is still roaming around the country and not acting like a seasonal flu, does that mean it might be getting weaker and burning itself out? And I think she's probably referencing perhaps the history of SARS-1. And I wondered if you could talk about that sort of potential decay of the virus.
Oh, okay. So first, I want to tell our audience that, yes, they have this idea because their idea based on this virus is some virus come from nature. After the natural evolution, and finally, this virus, this pathogen meets the host. Here, it means human because human is shown to be the best host in the world for SARS-CoV-2. But these things based on the law of nature. And here we are talking about something special. We didn't see this virus on the other natural kind of character like we see before. And according to I said before, we analyze the genome and we see the evidence. This virus actually is definitely not come from nature and it's already been modified through the lab, those kind of techniques. They even leave the evidence inside. And in my scientific report with my scientist team, I will show it to people. So here briefly, I want to tell you is if you expect this kind of adaptation between the virus and the host, and then after a while, the mutant and also this kind of balance from the immunity between the virus and also the human make it weaker, then I don't think it will become true soon. And as we see, it's already like second waves and even third waves happen in the world in many places like Hong Kong, or even later will come to US some places. So we have to know that to figure it out, how it can become such a big pandemic, how it like humans so much, has to back to the origin of this virus. That's why I call for people to come out and check the origin, to use your knowledge to verify the origins of this virus. It's not come from nature. It's based on the PLA-owned Zhoushan bat coronavirus. So it already get enhanced for some characters, like they like to attack the human ACE2, which is a receptor all over your world, all over your body in different type of the organs and even the vessel endothelial. Means it's on the blood vessel. So there are a lot of targets for this virus. And also it can be very lethal because this virus get bound into your cells and also give a lot of the downstream damage to your body by leading the cytokine storm and later induce the thrombosis. These kind of things, if you expect just by the nature evolution get weakened, then the global health will be in a big damage. So we have to find out how they really modify this kind of virus and what kind of character is already obtained. Then focus on this, we have to develop the drugs or find out the useful drug we already had, like whether HCQ can be applied in different stage, like prevention and early stage of treatment, and also try to develop the vaccine. Like these ways we have to think about to overcome this virus.